We've got an idea. She's a bit crusty. She's got a lot of crust. The inside's supposed to be really nice. Dude, that's it though. That's it. That's it, is it not? They said the inside's nice. Okay, the microphone's lying on me hand.
5-speed, 4-speed.
That's 5-speed. 4-speed? Wow. Oh, she's got some cancer though.
Yeah, I know, it's pretty
I'm trying to see how bad it is. She's got some cancer in that wheel well. We got to see how extensive that is. That's kind of bad.
It comes from up north.
Got a little bit on the tailgate.
From here down, it's got it.
Yeah.
Up there, it's got it.
Okay. Here's the idea. Stranger Things. You've seen Argyle's Surfer Boy pizza van. Put the surfboard on the roof. Surfer Boy pizza. She runs good though. She's a good runner. Now, Argyle's was not a, what is this, a Westphalia? His was a Vanagon. This has the top that pops up and makes a camper. But it's really, really close. We're gonna have a hard time finding anything closer. What if we get this thing done up Stranger Things Argyle for cruising the coast? Maybe we get a Sheriff Hopper Blazer for cruising the coast, and we tag team both of them down there. We got some thinking to do. I'm gonna check out this, what do they call it, a 1.9 water box? The floor is really good in it. Check oil. I'm keeping the hatch from killing us both. Well, where do you find a dipstick on the unit? Oh yeah, pull the tag down. That's your dipstick. Is it full of oil? That floor is in excellent shape. How bad is that sub underneath? Is it gone? She got a battery in her. What size is this? I don't know these motors. I know the early one still had air cooled. She's crusty. Which we can fix this. We're gonna paint it yellow anyways. Oh, the poor girl has been up north. To an extent anyway. Have you seen the pans yet? not too bad. Pans are really good. It's all out here. That. Can you feel, is that mud or is that feels like mud? That's mud. Somebody mudded on her. Structurally, are we good? Check out those little arms.
Like
that part there.
Back in and front end back.
Yeah. Where are you gonna find another one at though? No, yeah, I don't know where you find another one at ever.
But there's mud from here down. Probably have a collision right there.
It looks like we meant to go without.
This is it. I don't think you're gonna find another one. Yeah, it's so clean inside. Yeah, they said a fire got loose, and if you don't get it, it's going to end up burning up.
That's two over there.
Yep. Should be a battery somewhere. Hey, is there a hot battery in the truck? There's one in the back. Yeah, we can see if it would turn over. And the seat's just kind of sitting there. You got a little sunroof on her. For my part, I could do without the stove and whatnot. I'm not even sure what year this is. Is it dead? Hey, can we pull the battery out of his truck? Oh. Oh, she got some rot up there too. See it down in the lower door?
Right there.
Wiggle that up front there. Is it surface or what? That's poor girl. Okay. Some miles on her.
It's either 200 or
241,281. It's very cool. I like it. It's not that good. It's a little bit new. What year was it? You see anything that tells the year? Oh, here we go. 88. She's an 88. A lot of bubbles. This whole section appears to be compromised. Huh. She's full of oil. She's supposed to run good. Man, I don't know if we'd have time with all the work we've got to do. But I don't know if they're not all this rotten. Let's put her back together. Let's ponder this. There she goes. He had a fire get out, and a couple of these vans got burnt.
Them must burnt some other.
That was another time. Some of the neighbor was burning the fields, and the fire got out, and it grabbed the buses. 2 weeks ago, these were in pretty good shape. Maybe it's a sign that Westphalia was saved. Those wouldn't work though. Those aren't Argyles. They're too old. It is very much of a shame. It's Beetles, but
That's what I'm saying.
yeah, there's several.
You see, that's got the little gap in
Oh yeah. That, I mean, she's a little worse for the wear than I wanted. But I don't know if we can find another one. This is March. Cutting it close over there, eh, pup? There's another bug. There's one of the rabbits, like Friday the 13th.
Not behind me, right?
No. Check her out, though. That is really cool.
Got the thing on the hood.
And where we're at, that's the only one I've seen. And it's not 100%
That
accurate.
railroad may have it, though. You can't see it.
What would you guys do? Would you get it, clean it,
Hood.
paint it yellow, put Surfer
Right
Boy
there
on
in
it?
front of that. See that?
Or would you walk away and try another one?
I bet it's in the wells.
It's not bad.
What about-
It's all right. Seems to be on the outside.
What about the structured holes, the rear end and front
All that
end?
seems to be good.
It's motor.
It's just like surface rust on the body.
Look like mostly just sheet metal.
Yeah, it's cosmetic.
That's a Bradley Jeep,
Yeah.
whatever that is.
That's a body on a Beetle. Hey. And I'm gonna wind up with that one. We got some thinking to do.